Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into observational research and assessment. If you want to learn how to apply your knowledge through real-world observation, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's discuss designing observation studies. Designing an effective observation study involves clearly defining your research objectives and deciding what you will observe and how. This includes selecting the setting, determining the number of observations, and choosing the right tools for recording data, such as checklists or video cameras. For example, if you're observing classroom dynamics, you might decide to focus on student-teacher interactions and use a checklist to document specific behaviors and interactions throughout the class period. Next, let's talk about reviewing the observation activity. After conducting your observations, it's crucial to review the recorded data methodically. This involves organizing your notes or videos, identifying patterns or notable behaviors, and ensuring consistency in how the data is interpreted. For instance, after observing several classroom sessions, you might review your checklist to identify common themes in student participation or teacher feedback methods. This step helps ensure your findings are accurate and meaningful. Now let's discuss presenting and interpreting observational findings. Once you've reviewed your data, you need to present your findings in a clear and organized manner. This could involve creating charts, graphs, or tables to visualize the data and writing a detailed report that explains your observations and their implications. Interpretation involves making sense of the data by connecting it back to your research questions and objectives. For example, if you observe that student engagement increases with interactive teaching methods, you'll want to highlight this finding and discuss its potential impact on educational practices. Finally, let's examine turning data into insights. The ultimate goal of observational research is to turn raw data into actionable insights. This involves not just presenting your findings, but also providing recommendations based on the observed data. For example, if your study suggests that interactive teaching methods enhance student engagement, you might recommend training programs for teachers to incorporate more interactive components into their lessons. By translating your observations into practical recommendations, you can contribute to real-world improvements and advancements. By mastering these steps in observational research and assessment, you'll be able to conduct thorough studies that not only provide valuable findings, but also lead to actionable insights. This will enhance the impact and relevance of your work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. See you next time.